Hello my lovelies, welcome to Art by Esther A. We are back with Crazy Pages, our second trade, organized and created by Ayala Art / I Love to Paint. Originally, I wanted to make some painty papers using a gel plate. So I grabbed some parchment paper and started running it through, but as you can see from these photos, the paint didn't stick. It was cracking, and even though I used acrylic paint, it just seemed to rub right off of the parchment paper, no matter which side I used. So I had to basically redo everything for this trade. So I've collected some sketch paper, and I used a paintbrush and some acrylic paint, and I made everything from scratch, and I really enjoyed it. It's this abstract pattern that I'm gonna add some gesso to, some stencils, some stamps, and finish decorating them before I send them out. I can't wait to show you all the papers that I receive. Please be sure to look at the description box for links to everyone's channels and social media pages so that we can support one another. Everyone contributed some really beautiful artwork for this trade, and I can't wait to receive it all and make my own art journal out of it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Paint on, my lovelies.